Hey people, as the title suggests, today I'm going to show you how I trim my natural hair. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. There's no product in it. As you can see, my ends are bleached. They're very dry, very disgraceful, so I'm trying to get rid of it because I'm pretty much over it and it's very dry and very rough. One of the most important ways to retain length is to keep your ends freshly trimmed. Since my hair is kinky, I have to cut it in small sections to ensure I trim as much as the bad ends as possible. When I'm finished cutting a section, I use raw shea butter to do 2-strand twists. I detangle with a rat tail comb because it gets out more of the tangles, which makes it easier to cut. I use sharp scissors that are only for hair. Dull scissors won't give you a sharp cut, so it's kinda pointless to use a dull scissors. Your hair shouldn't get thinner or feel rough as you twist down to the ends. If it does, then kindly just chop it off, no hesitation. So that's what happens when you can't really see and have poor judgment. Perfect example of why you should take your time and trim small sections. Being that I'm actually trying to cut off all the colored ends, I don't just chop it off all at once. I cut little by little so I won't cut off too much. I finished cutting and twisting half of my head and I didn't realize I didn't get all the seawater looking green color off my hair. By the time I done a night, it was truly a workout. But as you can see, the twists all have a consistent size from root to tips. I wore the twists under a hat for a couple days and when it started to look too crusty, I pulled them out and wore a twist out. My twist out isn't as defined because I only use raw shea butter to twist it. I thought I got all the bleach ends, but I didn't realize until a couple days later. I was playing around and decided to pin it up into a fro hawk, which is cute, but I didn't end up wearing it like that because clearly I have issues. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't be afraid to cut off those bad ends so your hair can flourish. Bye!